What's up guys? So many of my friend asking what happened to you before you are not like this. Well, lahat naman talaga nagbabago, 'di ba? So hindi lang physically. So nagkakaedad na rin. But I'm still moving forward and doing exercise dahil so hindi lang naman gusto kong bumalik yung katawan ko. It's a part of healthy lifestyle. So kailangan natin mag-exercise. So kung hindi man sakaling bumalik yung katawan ko dati, so it's fine. It's a part of growth na tumatanda na tayo, guys. Kailangan natin mag-move forward. Hindi habang buhay maganda yung ating katawan. But we need to do exercise regularly para maging healthy tayo. So sabi nga nila, na-experience ko naman din na gumanda ang katawan ko dati. Pero I try my best naman.